I'm your host, Emma, and I'm so glad you're here. Whether you're just starting to learn English or reviewing the basics, this episode is perfect for you. Today, we'll listen to a short, easy conversation between two people, Lucy and Robert, who meet for the first time. Don't worry if you don't understand every single word right away. Just relax, listen, and get used to the sound of English. After the dialogue, I'll explain the key phrases so you can use them in your own conversations. Ready? Let's listen.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. What's your name?
My name's Lucy. What's your name?
My name is Robert. Nice to meet you, Lucy.
Nice to meet you too, Robert.
Where are you from, Lucy?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from the United States.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes. What do you do, Lucy?
I'm a student. I study English. What about you?
I work in an office.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's interesting.
That's great. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play sports and watch movies.
Nice. I like to read books and listen to music.
That sounds relaxing.
It is.
Well, it was nice talking to you, Lucy.
Nice talking to you too, Robert. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
That was a wonderful conversation. Simple, friendly, and full of useful English. Let's look at some important parts step by step. Number 1, greetings. They started with hi and hello. Both mean the same thing, but hi sounds a bit more casual. You can say it to friends. Hello is slightly more formal and works anywhere. Try saying them out loud. Hi. Hello. Easy, right? Number 2, asking how are you? This is one of the most common questions in English. How are you means how are you feeling? The answers were, I'm good, thank you. I'm fine, thanks. Always add thank you or thanks. It sounds polite and friendly. Practice with me. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Number 3, introducing yourself. They said, what's your name? My name is Lucy. This is the standard way to ask and answer when meeting someone new. Then came the polite phrase, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. The word too means also, so you're saying, it's nice to meet you as well. Let's practice. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Number 4, talking about where you're from. Where are you from? This question helps you learn more about the person. Examples, I'm from Canada. I'm from the United States. You can replace the country with your own. I'm from Pakistan. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan. Number 5, talking about work or studies. Next, they asked, what do you do? This question is used to ask about someone's job or daily activity. Lucy said, I'm a student. I study English. Robert said, I work in an office. You can use this pattern for your own life. I'm a teacher. I'm a driver. I work at a hospital. Number 6, expressing likes and hobbies. Lucy asked, what do you like to do? Robert said, I like to play sports and watch movies. Lucy said, I like to read books and listen to music. See the pattern? I like plus activity. Try your own examples. I like to cook. I like to travel. I like to learn English. Number 7, ending a conversation. At the end, they said, it was nice talking to you. Nice talking to you too. Goodbye. These phrases help end a conversation politely. You can also say, see you later, or have a great day. Tips for practice. Number 1, listen again to the conversation between Lucy and Robert. The second time, you'll understand much more. Number 2, repeat after them. This technique is called shadowing. Speak along with the recording. Number 3, imagine yourself in the same situation. What would you say if someone asked you those questions? Number 4, write the conversation in your notebook, but replace Lucy and Robert with your own name and answers. Number 5, practice with a friend or even by yourself in front of a mirror. Confidence grows with repetition. Remember, English fluency starts with simple steps. Every time you listen, repeat, or write, you're building stronger language skills. You don't have to understand everything right away. Just keep practicing, and you'll be amazed at your progress. If you enjoyed today's episode, please follow and share English Pro Space with a friend who's also learning. We'll be back soon with another easy, natural conversation to help you grow your English skills day by day. I'm Emma, and this is English Pro Space. Keep listening, keep smiling, and keep learning.